Vocabulary: eat, breakfast, lunch, dinner, favorite. Vocabulary: what, bread, rice, noodles, pizza, drink, juice, home, school, morning, afternoon, night. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat bread. What do you eat for lunch? I eat rice. What do you eat for dinner? I eat noodles. Do you like lunch? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you like dinner? Yes, I do. No, I don't. What is your favourite food? My favourite food is pizza. What is your favourite drink? My favourite drink is juice. Do you eat dinner at home? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you eat lunch at school? Yes, I do. No, I don't.